long have you had those hiccups for, Jason?
I don't know. A few hours?
That is not normal.
What the fuck?
Hands up! This is a robbery!
I'll do anything.
Well, I wish I knew that on Mother's Day.
Mum, what are you doing here?
Jason, me and your dad are getting a divorce.
What? Why?
I killed him, Jason. I killed him good and proper.
But never mind that now, man. Look at this.
A mysterious illness is causing people to drop down dead within minutes worldwide. The illness is seen to manifest itself as blood pouring from the eyes.
Mum, you've got some.
Jason, your eyes aren't bleeding.
What's that mean? Does that mean am I going to survive?
The only person seen so far to be free from eye bleeding is slouching media toad Piers Morgan.
Yes, only you and parasitic hate potato Piers Morgan are destined to survive.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I know, Piers Morgan. What a cunt.
No, Jason, you're still hiccuping. Why the fuck are you still hiccuping, Jason?
I don't know. It's not my fault.
I'm sorry, Jason. We didn't want it to come to this.
Mummy?
Don't look away, Jason, or it'll all have been for nothing.
My name is Jason Weaver. My hiccups were so bad that I drove my friends and family to do some terrible things in an attempt to scare and cure me. My mother later killed and cooked Ben and served him up to me every day for a number of weeks. After his meat was gone, she killed and cooked herself too. Soon it wasn't just my friends and family. My blind chemistry teacher, Mr. Davis, waterboarded the entire class in an attempt to weasel me out. And I made Mary Berry shit on a dove. I realised I had power. The power to make good people do bad things. I became Dr. Diaphragm.